to be very quiet. We're looking for something. Has anybody ever heard of the pileated woodpecker? At almost 100 years old, I finally saw my first one. What it is the biggest woodpecker in Michigan. Oh, I just heard it. Is that the pileated woodpecker? I don't think so. I think that's a different woodpecker. These things are very large. Very elusive too. They hear you coming, they're gonna fly away. I spotted them. Let's see if we could zoom up. I spotted them the other day flying through the trees, but up a little ways. Oh, there's a bunny rabbit. There he goes. But I try not to run though. I hear a woodpecker, but I don't think it's the one we're looking for. Because they don't stick around. Pecking wood. There was 2 of them here, and they make a very loud mating call. We're getting close to it. Right here, up a little ways more. And they usually hang out in those patches of trees. I've heard them in the past, but I never knew what they were. But now that I actually witnessed them yesterday, all right, they were. First one I see was they fly like this through the trees. Instead of going straight through the trees, maybe they're too big. Well, unfortunately, I'm not seeing any signs of them. Might have been a one-in-a-lifetime thing. Let's check out the sunrise. If we can make it to the clearing, we get a very nice view of the sunrise. Yeah, it was hanging in these trees. The first one flew away and it went like this. I never saw it. The second one flew up and I didn't know what it was. I'm like, what kind of birds are those? And it finally landed on a tree sideways. And then I could see the big red head. He started to peck. And then I can hear the mate over there calling, say, what are you doing? Get out of there. Danger. Watch. See, there's a patch of trees over there. I've heard them in the past. I'm going, what the heck is it? Obviously, it's too far away unless you got binoculars. But let's take a look. See anything big up in the trees? I think you would know when they're around. Here it comes. Beautiful day. We're about the middle of April, 2024. It's going to be 70 degrees today, but it's only about 45 right now. If we make it down this hill, and off to the right there's a little thicket from the farmer's field where the rainwater runs into the creek. That's the half-mile mark. So if we walk back and we do it 3 times a day, we're doing 3 miles a day. That's what she requires at least. Okay, we just get past these few trees and there's a spot here. Although it looks nice through the trees too. Might be too many clouds over there in the distance. See, there's no clouds above my head, but where the sun rises over there, there's a bunch of clouds, so we may not see it. Looks kind of cool though. It should be popping up any second here. Actually, it might be up behind the clouds. Right, let's see if I can zoom in on it. Oh, we gotta get past this tree. There's an opening right here. There's the thing right there. Some kind of pump. That somehow, not sure how it works. Come on, Penny. Come on, a little bit more. Oh, I love it. Look at the fog. Over. Wow. I wasn't expecting that. Ah, nice. Wait, let's check it out. I want to step in that grass because I know I'd get my shoes all wet. There's a dry spot right there. I'll stand. But check it out. I don't know if you can see it right there. It's like farmland. I got a few puddles, and off the puddles is a little bit like a fog above it, the mist of the water. And then there's these birds over here. They're about to fly away. Let's get up on this vantage point. Yes, this is the spot. Can't quite see those big birds. They're in there behind the trees. Usually this field's full of hundreds of them. There's the mating call. Coming in for a landing. Here they come. Oh. Boom, there we go. Oh yeah, there's a little patch of them over there too. I think the sun has risen. I can't get to my time here. Are you having some morning grass for breakfast? And this is how the wild graze in the field. Hey, don't be eating all that grass. There you go. Close to our main road here. The farther you get down the path, the closer it'll merge into that road. Absolutely beautiful. Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone enjoys the day. How lucky is this guy? Got a house in the middle of nowhere. There's absolutely no houses around him. The next house is a farmhouse way down over there. And then the town's a half mile behind me. Hey, get out of that ginormous hole. Come here. Some kind of animal hole Penny's trying to inspect. Come on, Ike. What are you doing? Someone got tangled up. All right. Come on, let's get back on the path. Ooh, I like that view through the trees. I don't think we're going to get to see it. Beautiful. Gotta take a picture of that right there.